Hello everyone. Question is a company processes personally identifiable information PII and must keep data in the country where it was generated. The company wants to use Amazon EC2 instances for these workloads. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Outposts. Option B, AWS Storage Gateway. Option C, AWS Data Sync. Option D, AWS Ops Works. Correct answer is option A. Question is which tasks are the responsibility of the customer according to the AWS shared responsibility model? Select two options. Option A, patch the Amazon RDS operating system. Option B, upgrade the firmware of the network infrastructure. Option C, manage data encryption. Option D, maintain physical access control in an AWS region. Option E, grant least privilege access to IAM users. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company wants to launch its web applications in a second AWS region. The company needs to determine which services must be regionally configured for this launch. Which AWS services can be configured at the region level? Select two options. Option A, Amazon EC2. Option B, Amazon Route 53. Option C, Amazon CloudFront. Option D, AWS WAF. Option E, Amazon DynamoDB. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company is planning to migrate to the AWS cloud. The company is conducting organizational transformation and wants to become more responsive to customer inquiries and feedback. Which tasks should the company perform to meet these requirements according to the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework AWS CAF? Select two options. Option A, realign teams to focus on products and value streams. Option B, create new value propositions with new products and services. Option C, use agile methods to rapidly iterate and evolve. Option D, use a new data and analytics platform to create actionable insights. Option E, migrate and modernize legacy infrastructure. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company has set up a VPC on AWS. The company needs a dedicated connection between the VPC and the company's on-premises network. Which actions should the company take to meet this requirement? Option A, establish a VPN connection between the VPC and the company's on-premises network. Option B, establish an AWS Direct Connect connection between the VPC and the company's on-premises network. Option C, attach an integrated gateway to the VPC. Use the AWS public endpoints for connectivity. Option D, configure Amazon Connect to provide connectivity between the VPC and the company's on-premises network. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company needs to run some of its workloads on premises to comply with regulatory guidelines. The company wants to use the AWS cloud to run workloads that are not required to be on premises. The company also wants to be able to use the same API calls for the on-premises workloads and the cloud workloads. Which AWS service or features should the company use to meet these requirements? Option A, dedicated hosts. Option B, AWS outposts. Option C, availability zones. Option D, AWS wavelength. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.